Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Today we're reviewing Hexos, an AI content platform that claims to simplify long-form writing, SEO, and even SERP analysis, all from a single dashboard. But does it actually deliver? So, Hexos positions itself as a one-stop shop for marketers and bloggers. You enter a topic and it generates a full blog post with headings, keywords, and even suggested images. There's also an outline editor, AI rewrite tools, and simple SEO scoring system. The pros: it's fast, clean, and easy to use. It's perfect for batch content or quick drafts. The SEO checklist helps guide optimization without needing third-party plugins, and pricing is affordable compared to tools like Surfer or Jasper. Now, based on what Reddit people are saying, a lot of them like Hexos, but for quick content creation, and say it's great if you're managing niche sites or affiliate blogs. But some mention the outputs still need a human touch, especially if you're aiming for high-ranking or brand-quality content. So the cons: the editor is still pretty basic. Long-form content sometimes lacks flow or originality. And while the SEO features are helpful, they're not nearly as in-depth as dedicated tools. The bottom line is, Hexos is a solid budget-friendly tool for creators who need to generate content quickly and at scale. Just expect to do some editing, especially if quality and originality matter. Let me know what your experience with Hexos has been, and if you're considering it, and hit that subscribe button for more no-fluff reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.